What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how you can go and create your own logo just for free. So this video is going to be for people who are starting anything new and you need to have a logo for your company or whatever you think you are trying to do. So let's get started and let's see how we can go and create a free logo. So for that, all you have to do is just go and open up Google and just go and type logo maker online and hit on enter. So 1 2 3, okay, this all ads, and I will click first link. It will open in a new tab. Alright, so this website free logo service is going to provide you with the option. So I'm like IT, if whatever you like, just go and select that one. I'll go with IT engineering. I will keep name as ZealPlex. Alright, so next per line, go ahead, because that's what people say whenever they watch my video. I like to say go ahead a lot. Click on choose a design, so it will open up another page. So next step will be what kind of a design do you like a text and an icon. So let me just go and select like this one. This looks nice to me. I'll click on this one, featured icon. What kind of a font? We'll go with sans serif. Click next. What kind? I'll go with this one. Click next, and let's see what they offer us. So there you go, they have given you the option like this one looks good, or let's go and roll it and see what more we can find. So I'm like education, so this will be good for me, and let's click and find out more logos, whatever suits you. Alright, so one best thing logo I just found out on the first page was computer. So I'm related to what kind of computer tricks. So this is the logo which I really like, so I'm going to click on that. So there you go, your logo has been created. So there you go, your logo is ready right now. So what you have to do is click on save, and there you go, your logo is ready. But now what I'm going to do is, there is a watermark over there. Click on save logo and you will get the logo, and the benefit of that is you also get a business card. So click like whatever design you like. I'll go with this one, select design, and there you go, you can go and claim it. If you have a domain, just go and select that one. I'm not looking forward for that, so I'll click no. So there you go, you can go and add, for example, your name will be, my name is I'm an Android developer, and my website is, I don't have any website, but my channel is ZealPlex, so I will go with ZealPlex, and just go and fill out all that one. Click on save design, and go, there you go, your business card will be ready. But right now I'm going to go and do a hack on that. Now that hack is going to be snippet tool. It's inside the windows. Click on the snippet tool. It will give you the option of taking a screenshot of your screen, so I will select new one. I will take this logo and click on that. Then what I'm going to do is file and then save it. Desktop, name will be card, and then click on save, and it will be saved in my desktop. So that's about it for this video. I hope you understand how you can go and create your own logo with a business card as a plus point. So that's about it for this video. I hope you learned something new in this video. Make sure to subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazar and I'm signing out.